Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to fix Modern Warfare 3 can't join friends party in PC problem. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you are having such kind of problem, all you can do is simply restart your internet connection to see that your IP address is allowing you to get connected or not. Otherwise, you can also check if there is any updates that is remaining on your Modern Warfare. So if you're going to update your app, then it can fix this problem as well. Otherwise, you can simply tap on the app itself and tap on the properties option. So once you're in the properties, you need to now go in the install file section, and there you can find an option called verify integrity of game files. So once you're gonna verify your integrity of the game files, this might also help you fix the Modern Warfare 3 can't join friends party problem. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.